Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Thank you very much for joining another weekly edition of my top stocks to watch for the coming week. This time from Thailand, Koh Phangan. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for the rest of the video. 13 names on this list for the next week. You don't want to miss any of them because they're all actionable trading, swing trading ideas. First is ADSK Autodesk. Finally broke up above and closed the weekly above the 232 area. This red line goes way back. It was very important area of support over here during 2022, and then since February of 2022 it was resistance until it broke to the upside. Now trend lines shows us the way for future price action. 280, 275 is the next area of resistance. We can also ask Fibonacci. Above 245, we will see 261 and 280 to the upside. Next is ALTR, another very interesting name. As you can see, all this area, the 74 area, we can take it also from here. It's an area of support and resistance, so we need to wait for a break up above the 76.60, and then next will be the 82.20 and then 90 to the upside. You can also check ALTR on the daily. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view price action. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high above 74.40. Look left, we have the 76 and then 79 to the upside, and then 85.80. Next is ASML. Very nice bullish run last week on ASML. Now all we need to do is continuation above 760, and then where price might be heading next. You don't need to guess. You take trend lines, you connect the higher highs. Next resistance will be 880. You can also use Fibonacci, swing low, swing high above 770. We have 836 and then 930 to the upside. All you need to do is follow price, use trend lines, Fibonacci levels and multi-time frames, and then you will get all future support and resistance for price action above last week's highs, above the 756. We will see 780 and 800 to the upside. Next is BROS, Dutch Brothers. Let's take a look at the weekly. If you saw previous videos in the past few weeks or so, you know we are watching this name very closely. We want to see a weekly break above this massive downtrend orange line since November of 2021. Each and every time price of BROS tried to break up and above, failed also previous week. Now all we need to do is wait for a weekly break above. I prefer above the 32.22, and then we have 35.40 and 40 to the upside as the next major resistance. Next up is CARG. If you're a pattern trader, if you're a pattern seeker, you might see cup. Let's delete Fibonacci, clean the chart. Always look at the charts, look at price action with clean eyes, clear charts, and then you will see things you never saw before. If you're a pattern trader, once again, you can see some kind of a cup and handle, but Fibonacci traders, we don't follow patterns because patterns are not reliable. We rely on Fibonacci and trend lines to show us the way for future price action. You have Fibonacci, you have this orange trend line that helps us to identify the higher highs. So above 24.14, we have 26.66. Look at how Fibonacci works. If you know how to take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, it gives you next resistance for price action. 26.30 area, look left. Very important area of resistance. So above 23.84, we will see 26.30 and then 29.70, and then we will see this area, the 34, 35 area together with this orange trend line. By the way, just take 1 second, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. This is all I ask from you. Let's grow this channel together. Let's reach broader audience so we can help more traders to see price as it is. Stop following others, stop following lagging indicators, and follow only price action. Use Fibonacci and trend lines for future price action. CRM 262 in the past 3 weeks. Very tough resistance. It was resistance over here, resistance over here, resistance over here. Always look left. Train your eyes to look left and try to identify why price is now where it is. Look left and you will see why. It was resistance over here, so by natural things of price action, it's also resistance over here. And then ask yourself, what if price will break up above this 262, 263 area? Fibonacci let us know, 285 and then 316 to the upside, and you can take also trend line, connect the higher highs. Next is this area over here at around 300. CVNA. Once again, if you are a pattern seeker, pattern trader, you must have seen this massive inverted head and shoulders. But is it inverted head and shoulders? Maybe it's only cup and handle, or maybe it's some kind of a bull flag. It can be whatever you want because everyone sees different. But the only thing we all see same is candles, aka price action, pure price action. Take CVNA, swing low, swing high above 55, 80, 56 area, all this area. Very tough resistance since August of 2022, as you can see. Breaking up and above, Fibonacci tells us 100, this area, the 99, 100, it's always an area of support and resistance. Look left, support over here, resistance over here, resistance over here. So, by natural things of price action and the weekly and CVNA, we have already the alert over here. Above 55, we have 100. If you want to become your own indicator, if you want to stop following others to tell you what to buy, where to buy, how to manage your risk and how to manage your position, check the links in the description below. Start with the Fibonacci Academy playlist. It's free. 26 videos on how to become a better trader, technical side and psychology behind trading. If you want to elevate your trading journey to the highest level, whether you want to become day trader, whether you want to become swing trader, whether you want to trade only futures or stocks or ETFs or cryptos or forex on any time frame, long or short, I have the one-on-one live mentorship program with me, or same program but pre-recorded, the online program also with me. I will teach you, I will walk with you hand in hand until you will become a professional trader. And by the way, if you want to become professional trader, you can be professional swing trader and still keep your daily job, your 9-to-5 job. You don't have to quit it. Perfectly fine. 2 separate income sources. Perfectly fine. Check the links in the description below. HUBS, HubSpot, 570, very tough resistance. You can clearly see it over here. Now long continuation above 570 and we will see 620 and 700 to the upside. Triple M and the weekly broke up above a massive downtrend line that started over August of 2021. Now continuation to the upside towards where? You guessed it. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, 112.70 above it. We will see 121 and 134 to the upside. Monday, MNDY is the ticker. as you can see, broke up only by looking left. You don't need Fibonacci, you don't need lines, you don't need anything to look left and see that it broke above a very interesting area that was support, broke to the downside, resistance, previous 2 weeks resistance, now managed to close above it. Now all we need to do is look for bullish continuation towards the 206 and 238 as the next major resistance. NEO, Neogenomics, still fighting, maybe fighting is not the correct word, but struggling with the 1980 area. As you can see, 19 area, resistance in the past 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Continuation above, we will see 23 and then 28, 30 to the upside. Rivian Automotives, RIVN is the ticker, as you can see, trying to break up above this orange trend line. We are waiting for the alert to set off, and then we can start taking our long position above 24.55, and then we will see 28, 32 and 40, 70 to the upside. And of course, everything you see and hear on my channel is for educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. It's good to get ideas, but in the end of the day, it's your money. Please, I beg you, take care of your money, because no one else will take care of it for you. And this is why we also use trend lines above this trend line, where RIVN price is heading towards this orange trend line, towards the 40.70. Upwork, UPWK, last but not least, very tough resistance, all this area, tough resistance. We can mark it like this. Now, trying to break up above, we will start taking our long position above this area, above the 16, towards the 17.70 and then 20.70 to the upside. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view. And if you're a pattern trader, pattern seeker, what do you see here? Some kind of an inverted head and shoulders. But as we said, everyone can see whatever they want. Some will see inverted head and shoulders. Some will see cup handle. Others will not see anything. What do we need to see? What we need to see is only price action, aka candlestick analysis, multi-time frames, Fibonacci, and trend lines. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe will be much appreciated. Don't forget to hit the notification bell every day, 8:30 Eastern time. We are going live pre-market preparations. Until then, enjoy the rest of your weekend.